Hello, good morning, all of you. This is the part 13 of human reproduction. Okay, this is the very important segment of this lesson, that is gametogenesis. Okay, formation of one bit we can expect from the gametogenesis part. Formation of gametes from the primary sex organs, that are those are called male gonads, or the testis, female gonads, or the ovary, that is called gametogenesis. The gametogenesis in males is called spermatogenesis. The gametogenesis in females is called oogenesis. Formation of ova, formation of sperm. Spermatogenesis starts from the puberty. Okay, there are four phases here. Multiplication. Mahatma Gandhi Mana Devudu. Mahatma Gandhi Mana Devudu. You can remember like that: multiplication phase, growth phase, maturation phase, and differentiation phase. What are they? Mahatma Gandhi Manadevudu, multiplication phase, growth phase, the next one maturation phase and differentiation phase. Multiplication phase, let us take first one. Multiplication phase, spermatogonial cells. Spermatogonial cells are the primitive male gametic cells. Okay, the next one. Okay, spermatogonial stem cells can multiply by mitosis in the to increase their number. All the spermatogonia are diploid. It is very important. 2n, they have 46 chromosomes. There are spermatogonial stem cells. Okay, they multiply. That's why it is called multi. They undergo repeated number of mitotic divisions. Which cells do they undergo? Mitosis. To increase their number. And all the spermatogonia, what is the condition of spermatogonia? 2n, that we diploid 46 chromosomes are there. The second phase, Mahatma Gandhi means here growth phase. Okay, some of the spermatogonia, for example, this is the germinal epithelium. Okay, germinal epithelium consists of spermatogonial cells are present. Spermatogonia, they are dividing, they are multiplying by mitosis, and they are forming again spermatogonia. That means here multiplication taking place. If multiplication does not take place, what would happen? Okay, there would be no stem cells, and the gametogenesis cannot occur continuously. Okay, next, some of the spermatogonia will be transformed into during the growth phase. Some of the spermatogonia, you can observe here, some of the spermatogonia will transform into primary spermatozoa. You can observe here the cell size increases here. That's what is called a growth phase. Growth phase. Here the spermatogonia became primary spermatocyte. Okay, the spermatogonia by increasing their size and DNA content. Okay, they grow in size and DNA content also increases. Primary spermatocytes are diploid 2n in condition. Some of the spermatogonia will be transformed into primary spermatocytes by increasing their size. The size increases here. Okay, and also DNA content also increases. Primary spermatocytes are diploid. These are also diploid. Next one, maturation phase. Maturation phase means maturation. Here maturation division takes place. Maturation division, that is the reduction division takes place. What is that reduction division? Is meiosis takes place. Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, that is the maturation phase. Next phase is the differentiation phase. Last phase, what is that one? Differentiation phase. Okay, during the differentiation phase, lot of changes take place here. Lot of change. Differentiation phase. Okay, spermiogenesis. What do you mean by spermiogenesis? The process of transformation of spermatid into spermatogonia is called spermiogenesis. Very important. It was given in 2017 NEET, I think. And events occur during spermio. What changes take place during the spermiogenesis? Here spermatid. Okay, which is round, it becomes like a sperm. It becomes sperm. Okay, transformation change take place here. Okay, events occur during the spermio. What changes take place during the spermiogenesis? One, Golgi complex of cytoplasm. Golgi complex, this bit is given in today's NTA paper, I think today's or yesterday's paper. The Golgi complex of cytoplasm forms a cap-like acrosome. cap-like acrosome. Acrosome is formed from Golgi complex of cytoplasm forms a cap-like structure. That means Golgi complex forming acrosome on the head of the spermatozoa. Next, another change that take place during the spermiogenesis, that is elongation and condensation of the nucleus. You know, in the head of the sperm cell, okay, there is a nucleus. The nucleus elongation and condensation takes place during the spermiogenesis when spermatid is transforming into the spermatozoa. Okay, next another one, formation of axial filament takes place from the distal centriole. And next, development of mitochondrial spiral takes place. Very important. Development of mitochondria arrange like a spiral. Development of mitochondrial spiral also takes place during this phase. Mitochondrial spiral also formed in the middle phase. Next one, separation of centriole take place. The two centrioles separate. Separation of centrioles also take place. Okay, those spermiogenesis is completed. The head of the sperm is present in the Sertoli cells. Earlier we learned that point. Okay, now what is meant by spermiation? The release of mature sperm cell, okay, into the lumen of the sperminiferous tubule, okay, from the Sertoli cells is called spermiation. These two terms are very important. Most of the students they get confused here. Spermiogenesis, spermiation. Okay, what is spermiogenesis? You know, transformation of spermatid into spermatids into spermatozoa. Spermatozoa. Okay, next, what is spermiation? Okay, if you take the, okay, this is the seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule. In the seminiferous tubule, there is a long cylindrical cell is present. This is called Sertoli cell. Okay, the sperm head is still inside this one. Sperm head is inside this one. Now this is the lumen. Now the sperm comes to this lumen from this part. That is called spermiation. The release of mature sperm cell. Release of mature sperm cell into the lumen, the central part, into the lumen of what? Seminiferous tubules from the Sertoli. This is the Sertoli cell. That is called as a spermiation.